Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to download videos on YouTube. So if you want to download YouTube videos, then let me show you how to do that. Now, the first way I'm going to show you is for doing it for a video. So that could be for whatever video. So I'm going to choose a random video. Let's take this video here as an example. And if I want to download this video, all I have to do, guys, is simply scroll down to the bottom of this video and you will see a few options here. You may or may not see the download button. If you don't see it, that's pretty much fine. Keep in mind that if you want to download videos on YouTube, it will require YouTube Premium. So I recommend get the YouTube Premium there. You can start a trial there and that's going to allow you to download the videos. But once you do download the videos, you'll be able to have those videos stored on your page on YouTube by simply expand the bar on the left hand side and you will have downloads showing up here where you can easily go ahead and download the videos because they will be stored onto downloads. Now the second way how you can easily download videos is if you have a YouTube channel. You can simply go into your YouTube studio, and once you're inside the YouTube studio, you want to go ahead and find the videos. So you want to go to content there, find the videos if you have any videos on your channel, and you'll be able to download the videos from there. So it's very easy. Just open up the video and you'll be able to download the videos directly there. So I'm going to show you a quick example here. So let's say I want to download this video right here. I can simply click three dots here and click and download from here. Or I can simply go ahead and open up the video as you can see. And once the video details is open, you are also able to download the videos from here as well. So here, if you click three dots on the upper right, you can simply hit download and this is going to download the video for you. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.